Hello friends, in this video I am going to take question number 8 of exercise 9.4 of NCERT Maths textbook class 12 of the chapter differential equation. Friends, the question is like this. For the differential equation given, find the general solution. So we have been given this differential equation, x raised to the power of 5 into dy by dx is equal to minus y raised to the power of 5. So for this differential equation we have to find the general solution. So let us see how we are going to solve this question. So first of all, to solve this question we can see that this equation is in variable separable form. Okay, so we can easily separate the variables. Okay, so on separating the variables the equation would look like this. 1 upon y to the power of 5 dy is equal to minus 1 upon x to the power of 5 dx. So you can see we have cross multiplied this term on the left hand side, and this dx and x to the power of 5 is transferred to the right hand side. Okay, now we have to just integrate to get the final answer. Okay, so integrating both sides of the equation, I'm going to get the equation like this. Now these two terms, y to the power of 5 and x to the power of 5, which are in the denominator, can be written like this, and we are going to get the equation like this. Integration of y to the power of minus 5 dy is equal to minus of integration of x to the power of minus 5 dx. Okay, now these two terms can be integrated very easily, because we know that the integration of x to the power of n is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So applying this formula, I am going to get y raised to the power of minus 5 plus 1 upon minus 5 plus 1 as equal to minus y to the power of minus 4 upon minus 4, and similarly on the right hand side I am going to get this as equal to minus sign as it is, x to the power of minus 4 upon minus 4 plus k. Here the integral constant has been taken as k instead of c, because there are chances that the integral constant is going to be changed, and therefore since we take the final integral constant as equal to c, so the integral constant, there are conditions that the integral constant will have to be changed, so I have taken as equal to k. Now if in any question if you get the condition that the integral constant has to be replaced by a final integral constant, or it can be changed, or there are chances that the integral constant can be different in the final answer, so we take it as equal to k instead of c. Okay, now if I am going to cross multiply this minus 4 to the right hand side, so this minus 4 is going to cancel, and this, the term of k is going to become minus 4k. Okay, so I am going to get the expression like this. So this equation is going to be like this. Now in the final answer we always write the integral constant as equal to c. Okay, so therefore if we replace c by minus 4k, so I am going to get the equation as x to the power of minus 4 plus y to the power of minus 4 is equal to c. This term is taken on the left hand side. Okay, so this is my final answer, this is my required answer. So this is how I am going to solve this question.
Friends, thanks for watching my video. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest updates, subscribe and like the videos on these channels on YouTube, HSK Shiksha and Math Help by HSK. Thank you.